What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to complete 20-yard shuttle in Madden NFL 26. Here's exactly how it works. The minigame is all about reacting quickly with your left analog stick and matching the direction shown on the radial meter. When the prompt appears, flick your left stick toward the highlighted wedge. Hitting the perfect target will give you the best results, while landing in the OK target is still acceptable, just not as fast, so try to match that perfect angle as closely as you can. Between each flick prompt, you'll also get a button you need to rapidly press. This button can be different every time, so keep your eyes on the screen and be ready to start spamming whichever one pops up. The drill will keep switching between button and flicking the left stick, so staying alert is the key. Let's go ahead and start. You'll get a quick countdown and then the first direction will appear. Flick the stick, start pressing the prompted button and then flick again when the next target shows up. Just repeat that process until the drill is finished. And that's all there is to it. Once you get used to the rhythm, flick, press, flick, the shutter becomes much easier to complete quickly. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.